Odeghalo fit comot for Manchester United this week o. Odeghalo wey be say e enter Manchester United on top loan transfer from Chinese club wey be Shanghai Shenhua for inside January o. But the striker fit miss the end of Premier League season o. Say because he need to go back to Chinese club wey be Shanghai Shenhua make e for follow start the Chinese Super League season o. Ighalo wey enter the Old Trafford o at the end of January and im loan go expire May 31st o, wey Premier League season suppose finish, but because of the coronavirus pandemic wey make the Premier League still reach now. But Ighalo stay for inside Manchester United go finish this weekend o, because he need to go back go prepare for the Chinese Super League o, wey go soon start in the next 6 weeks. The Chinese club wey be Shanghai Shenhua don knack head for ground o, say dem must collect back the former Watford striker before the Chinese season go start o. Ighalo wey be say e play well o for inside Manchester United, but say people talk say e no go play well o when e be enter Old Trafford for the last day of transfer. He score 4 goals for the first 3 matches when he first play o for all the competition, and he no lose at all for the 8 matches wey he play. This na Man About Town reporting for PG News Network.